When it comes to choosing a dentist, the question is why choose us? And I can tell you why. I mean, for me, it's pretty clear. When I have patients who've been with me for many years, I've been here for over 13 years. I have patients I treated them as a young teenager, and they're adults now. They've gone to college, they graduated. They keep on coming back. The whole family keeps on coming back. I have patients who moved out of the area, whether it's 2 hours away, another city, another state. I have patients flying back to get their work done here. Why? Because we've created a bond, a relationship, friendship with these people, and that has some value to it. And the patients value it so much that they rather take a flight here for 4 or 5 hours, come and see me to get their work done. They realize the quality of service we provide here. They realize the level of professionalism, the level of specialty work that we do here. Having multiple specialists in the same office, the convenience of it. And these specialists, having done this work for so many years, I mean, collectively, we have over 60 to 70 years of dental experience. And having all that, plus the latest in technology, from lasers, microscope, intraoral scanners, 3D cone beam. So when a patient comes here, they literally don't have to go anywhere else. If they need to place an implant, they need to get a 3D scan, we have it in the office. If you need to do an intraoral image, scan it, we can scan it. If you need to use the laser to do a procedure, whether it's a gum surgery, whether you have to do a filling on a tooth, whatever you can imagine, the technology is there. We have it. We've mastered the techniques, the most conservative ways of doing dentistry. We have a microscope. I mean, why would you want to have a microscope in a dental office, right? Because you can see better. You can see better. By seeing better, you can diagnose better. And when you can diagnose better, you can treat better. And it all comes down to seeing for me. We don't do things blindly. We check, we double check. If I'm not sure about something, if I'm not sure about a diagnosis or a treatment, I have specialists who've been doing this work for many years to be the second eye that I would need sometimes to make sure that this is the right treatment for this patient. At the end of the day, the patient getting the right treatment is what we want to do. The patient being satisfied with the treatment they're getting is the goal this is the goal for us in this office. Patient care, the quality of care, patient comfort, making sure the patients are comfortable when they come in, from the decor in the office, from the ambiance, from the staff friendliness, from a massager in the chair, from having Netflix in the room so they can watch their favorite shows. When the patients are in the chair for too long and the muscles are tensed up, we have a relationship with a chiropractor next door where they can walk next door and get a free muscle treatment after the treatment. So when you ask me, why should patients choose us? Why should patients come here? I believe the answer is clear. At Dr. Smile, we've created the environment, we have the staff, the specialists to provide the kind of service a patient deserves.